Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hasim Electronics Friends. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can restore a base of a water heater. Base was not passing the current to the heater. Due to sparking, this is melted. So we will restore it. This cable is heat up from here also. The base is loose, so that is the reason it is not making the good connection. First of all, take multimeter, set it to continuity. To verification of the multimeter, after setting continuity, set it to connect both terminals to each other. So you will find the multimeter and the test leads are okay. Now connect one wire here. It is making connection, but not very good connection because the charging in the base is loose. Now connect to other wire and connect to outer ring. It is connecting, but the inner ring is connecting sometime intermittent. Sometime it is connecting, sometime no. So we will see now. First of all, very nice. We see the base cover, the support is loose, only one screw is available. So we will check it and we will replace the cable. Yes. You can see this terminal, it is out. Now it is some closer. You have to fix it in the center, because when the pin will enter from here, and it will touch to this pin like this, and the outer ring will touch to this one. Press this lock and pull it out. Release from here, press it, pull it out. Yes, it's out. When we don't have spare parts, you have to fix something, and when you are trying to repair something, try to make low expensive on repair. If your repair increases from the actual value of the equipment, that is not a good engineering, that is not a good work. As my best experience, online shopping for electronic components, electronic goods, electronic spare parts, I am sharing my personal experience that utsource.net is the best online shopping mart for electronic components. You can visit this site, that is the very best electronic market, electronic components supplier. Now put the wire cable like this. Take the knife and put it in this way. Smaller edge between your two fingers. Cable slightly should be covered and the small edge of the knife should be touched. Now press and pull it this way, so that it will cut the out shield of the cable. Never press too much, so you will damage the wire inside. Clip it off. If this video is good for you, you can subscribe if you want. And if you want to watch my future videos, you can press bell icon button if you want. Press bell icon for all, notification for all. So my every new video will with you in no time. Now I remove the insulation. I clip off insulation. We will check the cable again before installation. Set multimeter to continuity. I will make a in detail tutorial for usage of multimeter. Now I connect one wire to one lead, one terminal. Okay, this one is line. and I will connect to, this is the second line. This is the second line, and this one, the yellow and green, that is ground, and ground is connected here. So I was discussing my experience, best experience for online shopping. If you want to purchase electronic components, or you need to purchase some special components from online vendor, I will recommend UT Source. That is the best ever supplier, and they supply electronic components by DHL, FedEx, and UPS, UPSX. Place an order. I receive the best quality components within no time, and with fast delivery. The main thing, the quality of the spare, because when you are working for a firm, you are working for a company or any end user, if your repair quality will excellent, then your work is nice. If you have proper tool, and if you are just only not engineer, not a technician, if you are just only layman, you are starting the work, your work will be very nice, because the perfection in your work is basic from your tools. If your tools are good, you are safe, you will spend less time, and you will prevent the equipment in very nice ways. But if you don't have proper tool, you will destroy the equipment. So always try to use proper tools. If you have any question about electrical, electronics, you can write your comment under the video, and I will share the link of this utsource.net in my description of this video. You can find this video over there. And if you want to repair the heating jug, I will also share a link for complete troubleshooting, how you can repair the jug electrical kettle. I have uploaded a detailed video in my channel, you can find. Now we will connect again. The green wire which is connected to this line, it will be in the center. Okay, it's lock. Now the brown line, center pin, this one, the center pin brown line, that's its phase, and here the outer line should be neutral. Yes, these three lines are connected now. The wire is here, strapped on tight. We have a small guide here, and one lock is here. So I will put this guide here. You can see it should be placed properly. So now it's okay. If anyone will pull out, it will resist. Another problem, this screw is broken, so it cannot be fixed properly. So what we will do now, I will make some other solution. It's adjusted, now it's fixed. Place a small 2 or 3 dots here so that it will be locked. If you have super glue, you can connect, or if you have epoxy hardener, you will put it here. Luckily I have epoxy, super glue, sorry. So it's good now. If you have cement, you will put a small amount of cement, or if you have a fine sand, put it on super glue. So now it is permanently fixed. Now this cable is here. Just only heat up here the end and press it downwards. Apply some amount of solder to give thermal conductivity. It's okay now. Press it down. It's okay now. All the points have been pressed and it's okay now. Now it is okay. Now I will press. Yes, it is lighting. It is heat up. Thanks for watching. If this video is good for you, you can like, subscribe and share. If you want to watch my future videos, click the bell icon button and press notification for all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From Chrome browser, you go to utsource, utsource.net. The first one, utsource.net. You will go to this interface. Here are WhatsApp numbers for USA, Canada, and call, Skype, Asia and Europe. There are different numbers. So you can ask inquiry, and if you want to select category, you can go to this very quick menu. Suppose I want to select linear amplifiers, video amplifiers and modules. We can select, so we can see this SMDs, surface mounted devices, and components, ICs. We can find everything here. If you go to accessories and tools, it's also a very nice. You can see dual power supply. Here are cables, lab equipment, and you can see the price, very low price, $0.58, $1.71, $1.09. So it is amazing. We can find different connectors and different oscilloscopes, breadboard, tools. If you go to tool section, you can find tools here. Suppose if you go to passive components, in passive components, here we have capacitors, resistors, crystals. If I go to capacitor and high voltage capacitor, we can find for different values, different types, we can find it here. So friends, if you will go to utsource.net and you will register your account, you will take $5 shipping coupon as a bonus, as a welcome. So I hope so you will visit this site and you will purchase from this site. It also takes global payment. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa